Choosing the right broker can honestly make or break your trading, especially if you're just getting started. Today, I'm comparing Invidiatrade and Eightcap, two popular online brokers that a lot of traders ask about. We're going to keep this simple. No complicated jargon, just the things that actually matter. Spreads, deposits, trading pairs, and overall ease of use. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which broker makes more sense for you and why more traders are starting to lean towards Invidiatrade. Let's start with one of the most important things in trading, spreads. If you're new, a spread is basically the small fee you pay every time you enter a trade. Lower spreads mean you keep more of your profit. Both Nvidia and Eightcap offer competitive spreads, but Invidiatrade really shines when it comes to consistency. Spreads stay tight even during busy market hours, which is huge if you're day trading or scalping. Eightcap can offer low spreads too, but they often depend on account type or market conditions, which can make costs, less predictable, especially for beginners. With Invidiatrade, what you see is usually what you get. That transparency makes it much easier to plan trades and manage risk without surprises. Next up, deposits and accessibility. Invidiatrade is clearly designed with new and growing traders in mind. Minimum deposits are more affordable, meaning you don't need a huge amount of capital just to get started. This is a big deal if you are learning, if you're testing strategies or trading part-time. Eightcap, on the other hand, tends to feel more geared towards experienced traders. While it's solid, beginners might feel pressured to deposit more upfront or navigate more complex account structures. Invidiatrade keeps things simple, easy onboarding, clearer account options, and fewer barriers. If you're someone who just wants to start trading without stress, this is a major plus.
Our sponsor today is Lead Sniper, and they will help you find quality links even when you think you're in the darkest of places and you can't find any clients. Lead Sniper has been doing this for a long time, and they have worked with thousands of marketers, including myself. And the fact that they want to sponsor us today makes me very happy. If you need targeted data that actually converts, then Lead Sniper is for you. They have a Google Map scraper, they have a Google search scraper, and they have a yellow page scraper, with more tools coming out soon. So go ahead, get in the description, click the links that takes you over to Lead Sniper. Back to the video.
Now let's talk about what you can actually trade. Right? Invidiatrade offers a wide range of trading pairs, including major Forex pairs, the miners, commodities, indices, and popular assets traders actually use on a daily basis. The key difference is how organized and how accessible everything actually feels. You're not overwhelmed with unnecessary instruments. You get, useful liquid markets that are easier to understand and trade. Eightcap does offer a large selection too, but for newer traders, that can feel a bit cluttered. More isn't always better if you don't know what you're looking at. Invidiatrade focuses on quality over quantity, which makes it easier to stay focused and disciplined. Another area where Invidiatrade stands out is the overall user experience. The platform is clean, it's smooth, and it's intuitive. Whether you're placing your first trade or managing multiple positions, everything feels straightforward. Customer support is also more approachable, especially for beginners who might actually need help from time to time. Eightcap's platform is powerful, but it can feel a bit more technical. It's more for advanced traders, but not always ideal if you're still learning the ropes. Invidiatrade feels like it was built to grow with you, not overwhelm you. So, when you start putting everything together, lower and more consistent spreads, easier deposits, beginner-friendly design, and a clean trading experience that's easy to see why Invidiatrade comes out ahead for most traders. Eightcap is still a solid broker, especially for experienced users, but if you want something that's simpler, more accessible, and easier to trade with day to day, Invidiatrade is the better choice. If you found this comparison helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more trading content, and let me know in the comments which broker you are currently using. I'll see you in the next video.